Hey Cancer, what's up? I'm back with another reading. This is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. You're very focused on yourself right now, Cancer. Even if you do want a relationship or long term with someone here, which I think you wanted once upon a time and it didn't kind of work out, because there is a person here who probably took advantage of the situation. There was a lack of equal give and take. There was maybe someone abused their position, okay, they misused their position, or they just wanted to take advantage of you. You were always the giver, okay, and this person always choose to be the receiver. Now there could be two scenarios. Either you were dealing with someone here who was giving to two people in the past year and you always got less, okay, that is if they had someone else, okay, and you know about it. Then if not, then this person here was always giving you less. They were always a taker. They never gave you what you deserve. They never appreciated you. Or even if they invested into the connection, it was always with strings attached. You know what I'm saying? Like you would do this, but they would do this on a condition that would happen. You know what I'm saying, right? So yeah, someone here who's very selfish energy. So yeah, there could have been a separation because someone was very selfish in the past year, or there was just an imbalance in the relationship. Right now, I do feel that there is someone here who probably loves you a lot, or probably you love them, okay. I feel you could have now again, right now, like I said, take it out resonates. There is someone here who probably has a lot of love for you, okay. This person loves you to the moon and back, but they're choosing to hold back their emotions. Like they would want to communicate with you, like they would have communicated with you yesterday. They're in a hurry. This person wants to clear the air with you, okay. They want to rush in. There's the sense of urgency that they have to clear the air with you, to talk to you, to communicate with you, okay. Hello. I don't know what fell. So this person here wants to communicate with you, like in on a very desperate way, okay, where I need to talk to Cancer, okay. I need to clear this. I need to clear the air here. Yes, but maybe their ways of approaching you are always very brash, very rude. Someone who lacks intimacy, or someone who fears intimacy. Okay, I think this person here always wants to talk to you in a very logical way, but in a way where it always turns into some kind of harsh arguments or some kind of fights, conflicts. Okay, so right now they would want to come towards you. Okay, although deep down they have a lot of love for you. They love you to the moon and back, but they just feel it's more sensible to use their uh, to control their emotions. Okay, they're trying to control their emotions. They try to keep their emotions buried, okay. And someone here who's probably trying to manipulate you indirectly, not in a bad way, but in a way where they don't want you to know how desperately they want to talk to you and how badly they love you, okay. Whatever happened in the past, they understand that, but right now it's like, I love you a lot, Cancer, but I don't want to show you how much I love you, okay. Even though I would want to speak to you and clear the air, like right now, I'll hold back, okay, because they don't want to get influenced by their emotions, is also what I'm getting. You, on the other hand, Cancer, I feel what is on your mind is you. You are on your mind. You don't really care. You are focused on self-worth. You know what you deserve. You are in a very abundant place. You're probably practicing the law of attraction indirectly, okay, because you are giving a very cold vibe to this person, okay, whoever did this to you. You're giving someone a lot of silent treatment. You could be being very cold towards this person. You're giving a cold vibe where you don't really give a shit about them, which is attracting them back towards you, okay, like honey to a bee. So you're coming off as very attractive, Cancer, right now, because I think you're just doing you. Okay, you're putting yourself on a pedestal. You're probably taking care of your looks, taking care of your body, taking care of the way you are. You're more into spirituality and emotions rather than being into that control mode. Okay, so you are no longer controlling the situation. You're just letting it go, letting it flow. Okay, you may even want commitment with someone here, or if not with this person here, you're thinking long term, but you want to attract only something that is meant for you and not shitty and toxic stuff. The situation right now is that you could be at a crossroads, or this person that you're dealing with could be at a crossroads. Someone out here needs to make a choice, this or that here. For a lot of you, you could be very confident about making a decision here, okay, but you could be wanting to, you're planning. There's some planning going on from your side. I think you still haven't let go of this person here, but you still are planning about what to do next about the situation, okay, about someone who's in and out of your life is also what I'm getting here. There's a lot of planning here. Overall, I do feel you're very focused on your career, your money, your goals, your financial status, or your financial security, or you're just trying to, right now overall you're very focused on family also, or trying to get a balance between work life and family life also is what I'm getting here. But you're being very practical, very grounded overall, Cancer. In the future here, again, that's you with the moon here, there's a lot of indecisiveness, okay, you're still not going to be able to make a decision. So whatever's there right now, that situation remains in the future. In fact, I feel it gets even more fucked up because you're getting into the moon energy here, where it's going to be so indecisive. It's going to be a lot of I don't know what's going on. It's going to be very foggy. You're going to be very confused. There's going to be a lot of mental confusion. There's going to be a lot of I can't see what the future is, so I don't know what to do. It's going to be like a very big risk for you. You probably feel there's a lot more to a situation that meets the eye, which is why you will choose to be indecisive. Okay, it's like I don't really know what the truth is. Okay, so there's a lot of lack of clarity in the future here. Okay, so if you are indecisive about this person here, you will still continue to be indecisive in the future here. Okay, maybe things become even more confusing. What's the moon here? Maybe the only help you have is your intuition, Cancer, in the future. What's the moon? What's the moon? Yeah. You don't trust this person, Cancer. There is someone here who's always been very in and out of your life, like I just told you like 3 seconds back. So this is someone here who either runs from responsibilities, or they run away from the connection, or they run away from commitment. Take it how it resonates. But someone here is very sneaky, very deceptive, and you kind of don't trust their intentions towards you. So what is happening here is that even though this person has a lot of passion for you, even though this person means business, they want to work on this connection, they want to put in the effort, they want to learn more about you, they want to know more about you. If it's a potential new lover here, then this could be someone brandly new who kind of is not very very open with their agenda. Okay, they have hidden agendas. Okay, if this is an old person here, then you kind of definitely don't trust this person. Okay, whatever it is, there is the past person who wants to come back towards you, who has hidden agendas. Okay, or who was very sneaky in the past, and now you don't trust them because you feel, because of your past experiences, you are projecting your fears and insecurities in the future, which makes you not trust them, is what I'm getting here. Although this person here is very hell-bent on making things happen with you, they want to put in their 110% to make this a successful connection with you. They're ready to put in the work, even if in the past they were very dominating, or they just did whatever the fuck they wanted without caring about you or your emotions here. This person here is definitely wanting to put in the effort now. Okay, they could even have been speaking to their friends and family, or they could be getting some counseling. You could be getting counseling about your relationship. This could even be a marriage here. But this person here is very genuine about their intentions this time around here, and they want to take action. Okay, they want to put in their all. They want to put in their all to work it out with you. You don't trust them, Cancer. You don't. Which is why, like I said, you could be at a crossroads here. You don't. Sorry. You don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. And you could. So things are at a pause right now. You don't know if you want to take them back. Okay. Or should you just walk away and leave this person out wherever they are and just walk away and choose a new path? Or should you just stick back and wait for this person to come towards you? You're in two minds. You still haven't made up your mind or chosen to walk away from there completely. Okay. Yeah, so that's what I have for you, Cancer. Hope this reading resonates. Leave your comments below and I'd love to hear from you. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.